In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create manual payment in Stripe. By the end, you'll know exactly how to charge a customer directly from your Stripe dashboard, with clear tips to keep everything accurate and professional. First, head to Stripe.com and log into your account. Make sure you are in the correct workspace and that you have permission to accept payments. It's a good habit to confirm you are working in the intended environment, especially if your organization uses multiple accounts. Once you are in, look for the top navigation bar and click on Payments. This is your central hub for viewing transactions, tracking statuses, and creating new charges. Now it's time to create the payment. In the top right corner, click the plus Create button, then select Payment. Depending on your view, you might also see an option that says Create a Payment under the Manually Charge a Customer section. Both paths lead to the same place. Next, enter the amount and choose the currency. Take a moment to double-check the figure, including whether tax, shipping, or discounts are already reflected. Selecting the correct currency is important for both your reporting and your customer statement. Add the customer information. You can select an existing customer from your list or create a new one. Including a name and email is helpful for receipts and records. If you are adding a new customer, keep the details clear and consistent with your other systems so you can find them easily later. You'll now manually input the card details. The card number, expiration date, and 195. Only enter card information when you have the customer's explicit authorization, and never store card data outside Stripe. Type carefully and watch for typos, as even a single digit off can cause a decline. To help minimize disputes and make charges recognizable, add a description and a statement descriptor. Use simple, clear language that matches what the customer expects to see, like a product name or order number. The clearer this is, the fewer questions you'll get from customers later. Before you finalize, review the payment summary to ensure the amount, currency, customer, and card details are all correct. When everything looks good, click Submit Payment. Stripe will process the charge and show you the result right away. If it's successful, you'll see a confirmation if it's declined. Read the message shown to understand why, and follow up with the customer as needed. That's it, your manual payment is complete. Thanks for watching.